In the previous video, we looked at how to customize headers. In this one, we're going to look at how to customize footers. If you look at the footer options property on columns, there's a bunch of properties here that you can use to customize the footer. We're going to take a look at some of them now. First one we're going to look at is the footer operation, which is typically what most people go for. So if we're just going to paste it here, since this is TypeScript, we have to type it footer operation dot average. Once you do this, you should be able to see an average here, and you can customize the label. Should be able to update that. This is just some additional operation types. For example, if you wanted a min or a max or a count, you could do that. As an example, if you wanted this, we're just going to say footer operation count. That should. What's wrong here? Columns, footer operations. Do that. Save this. Refresh. Of course, it doesn't like the fact that we already have a statement code. Click OK. Refresh. There. Additionally, if you look at, there are certain properties that you can have, like a callback function. We'll test that. Pass that in. Now, this version that I'm running right now does not have typed. What was this? Sorry. Does not have typed properties. But what you could do is you could always specify employee here, and that will type the properties coming into these functions. So what do we have here? Footer operation. That doesn't matter. Let me try it without. Just do this and just say dp data provider. You shouldn't have to do this in the latest version. You can just do this, and that should type this as an incoming parameter. But, so once you do this, what this is doing is giving you a callback function that you can use to calculate the footer value. So that's how you would do that. Now, just like the headers, you can also specify custom React components for footer, which is what we're going to do in this example. So actually, this is not necessary, and like the other one, you can always do this. But in the current version of the product, you could always just type it like this. But so let's give this a shot. So you can see it's using a custom component here. And again, like anything else, whenever you have a renderer, you can return anything here. So that is how you do footers. Now, there are a few considerations around how to do footers with server-side data, how to do footers with backend calculations. We won't go into that right now, but in future tutorials and in some examples, we'll talk about how to do all of that.